Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. We are going to solve worksheet 28 of subject mathematics, and over here you can see worksheet 28 subject mathematics. Date is 11th October 2021, class 6. Here you need to write your name and here you need to write your class teacher's name. So today we will study about practical geometry, and in this we will study perpendicular bisector of the line segment. Now what is this perpendicular bisector of line segment? Introduction. A line or a ray or a segment that divides the given line segment into two equal parts and makes an angle of 90 degrees with it is called perpendicular bisector of line segment. For example, the middle line of a copy or a book which divides it into two equal parts and is perpendicular to it. So what is this saying? You can see in this photo also given to us over here. What you can see here, that in this picture you can see there is one line which is the vertical line over here and one is horizontal. So first you can see this is our line segment because it is not having arrows and it is having points. So this is our line segment here, and over here you see we have drawn one more vertical line with it, which is a line which is perpendicular to it, and it divides it into two equal parts. This is one part and this is the second part here. So it divides it into these many parts and it is having 90 degrees angle. You can see here and here also and here also. So all these four sides are of 90 degrees angles. So this is what is called perpendicular bisector of the line. You can also see in our books we have this perpendicular bisector too. Now we will see how to draw the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment using a ruler and compass. So first step is what? Draw a line segment EF of any length. So first you will draw this line segment. You can see in this picture also that we have drawn the line segment with our compass over here. Then with E as center, open compass more than half of the given line segment EF and mark an arc on both sides of it. So you can take E as your center here and you can open the compass. You can see first line segment is made here and then this step also is done. So first it has taken E as its center and opened compass almost half or more than half. You can say we don't know what is half, but if we have opened more than half. Step 3 is, and then also it has drawn these arcs. You can see on this side and on this side. 1. Now step 3 is with the same radius and from point F mark an arc on both sides of given line segment EF cutting the previous arcs drawn in steps 2 as U and V. So what is this saying to us? You can see in the third step. Now once we have drawn two arcs from point E, now we come on to point F and now here we will be drawing some arcs. So what arcs will you draw? One arc will intersect the upper arc made by point E, that is U, and other one will intersect this one, the lower one, which is V, with the point F as our center, and again we will take the compass of the same length here. Then step 4 is join UV with the help of ruler intersecting the given line segment at a point, say T. Okay, so UV is the required perpendicular bisector of line segment E and F. You can see here that these 2 points are made. So now simply we have what we have done. We have we have connected these 2 points to give an intersecting line, and this is how it works. So now you can see there are some practice questions given for us. First is draw a line segment of length 8.5 centimeter and construct this perpendicular bisector. So first I have drawn this line segment here which is of 8.5 centimeters. Okay, and then I have constructed its perpendicular bisector by how? See, first I had kept my compass over here which is more than half length, and then I had drawn this arc and then this arc. Then I had kept my compass over here and then I had drawn this arc and then I had drawn this arc. So this is how I have done, and then I have simply connected these 2 arcs to get the intersecting line and perpendicular bisector. So D is the required perpendicular bisector. Now second question is Draw SU of length 6.4 centimeter and construct its perpendicular bisector. Measure each part and all the angles at the point of intersection. So what is this saying to us? That you can see if we come down, just a second. So we can see over here we have seen first we have drawn this line segment which is SU, and then what happened is we have first made its perpendicular bisector. So simply put our compass here, more than half, made this arc and the lower one, and then at this point U I have made this arc, and over here I have made this arc. Okay, so these are the arcs I've made, and then simply I have what done, that I have connected these two arcs, so from here to here. Then second step what I have done, it was saying to measure it. So you can see this part over here is of 6.4 centimeter we have measured, and each angle will be of 90 degrees, only 90 degrees, and the upper ones, the lower ones also, these ones will also be of 90 degrees only. So we have measured all the angles and the sides here. Question 3 is draw a line segment of length 16 centimeter using ruler and compass, divide it into 4 equal parts. So what we have done over here is that if we come down, see, I have drawn my line segment over here. Let me zoom out. So this is our line segment, and what I have done is, first you can see this is I kept my compass over here, and then I extended it more than half to make this ray, this arc, and also this arc with it. So these two arcs I have made for one part. Now for second what will I do? So you can see I keep it at point B here. So point B, and then I draw this arc here, and I draw this arc over here. Okay, so we have drawn the arcs. Now what to do? Now you can see simply we will connect them. So we have got the perpendicular bisector of this line. So you can see now what to do. You can see as we have connected them. Now if we have to divide them into 4, till now they are in 2 parts only. Imagine these are not over here, these are just not here. Just don't imagine them, so it will be in 2 parts. Now to divide it into 4 parts, what will you do? We take our compass here, and now we measure it more than half, but now we will take it less than half. And over here I have made this arc here, okay, and this arc with it, and at keeping it at point A. Then I have taken it at point C with the same distance, and simply I have made over here this arc and this arc. Now what to do? Now this is one part which is made, and simply you will connect it. Then over here you keep it at point B again, but not more than half, but actually less than half. So now I draw this arc with it, and I also draw this arc with it. So these are 2 arcs are drawn, and now I come at point C over here, which is here, and I draw this arc and I draw this arc. So finally we get our line segment, which is divided into how many parts? Yes, it is divided into 4 parts. You can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 parts total. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.